Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's try the very cool looking Arctic fox, Archie from Roblox Piggy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this we'll use this as a reference and I will show you how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this. So here's my sketch. This is going to be my reference. So I'm just going to be going from this drawing, and I'll show you guys how to draw this with a Sharpie. Alright, so we're going to begin by drawing the hat first. This is a pretty cool looking character. So to begin, we just draw in one line across. So that's going to be the bottom of the beanie. Now we'll just go up. Okay, so it's supposed to be cloth, so it doesn't have to be so straight. Alright, so then from here we can draw in the top. So it's just pretty much a little dome shape. And we can add in some lines right here right now, just to finish off the hat. So I'm just going to draw one center line and then maybe just a couple more on each side. Okay, so that's the hat, and then now for his ear. So just start right here. Just draw like a little leaf shape, just right on top of the hat. Okay, so now let's draw in the face. So we're going to draw one big circle coming down, and I always find it a little bit easier to draw like a bracket like this first, and then I'm just going to round off the bottom. Okay, and then let's see, for the nose, just right in the center of this, just draw another circle. So this is going to be his nose, and let me shade this in real quick. Alright, and then let's see, to finish up the snout area, just come up, you can make a little point. I'm going to draw one big circle coming down, almost touching the bottom. Okay, so that's the snout, and now let's draw in the eyes. So whatever space you have here, just draw one circle. Same thing here. And then for this one, I'm going to add a little circle in here. I'll shade around that. And then for some details right here, just right in between here, just draw one line coming down. And then for the whiskers, so from this circle, I'm just going to draw one in the center first, one more on top, and then one more on the bottom. All right, and on this side right here, Just 2 triangles. And that's gonna pretty much give us the head. So now let's move on to the body. All right, so for the body, I'm gonna give him a little line right here for the shoulders. So I'm just gonna skip some space right here. Just come down, that's gonna be the armpit. Okay, and then I'm gonna curve in and then kind of come out slightly. Just close that off first. And let's go ahead and draw in the little belt right here. Two line across, and then right here. Okay, let me shade this in so we can see this. So this part's gonna be black. Okay, and then from this point here, I'm gonna come all the way here. This is 1 bar. So that's 1 strap, and then there's gonna be 1 more crisscrossing. Okay, so that's gonna give us the torso. So let's go ahead and finish up the legs right here. So for the legs, right in the middle, I'm just gonna add in like a little upside down U first. Go on the outside right here. Let's come down. Let's see, I'll extend this slightly and then just close it off first. So this would be his knee right here. Okay, and then now we're gonna continue down. Continue down right here. I'm gonna stop a little short. Now for the foot, right here, curve out. Now we're gonna come down here on the inside and then just close this off. Just extend this curve to make it a little bit more three-dimensional. Okay, so now let's draw in the arms, and this one's gonna be holding the fire hydrant, so it's a little bit more complicated, but we're gonna start out the arms the same way. So let's come back up here, continue with the shoulders. Just curve down to right around here. So here's the armpit. Another curve, and then we'll just close that off first. Okay, so let's come down to right around here. Inside. All right, so let's draw in this hand first, because this one's a little bit easier. So just 1 hook for the thumb. 1 little line inside for the inside of the palm. And then here's the outside of the palm or the back of the palm. And then here we could just draw in his fingers to just come down and just round it out. And we can add in the other fingers, just 1 little curve. And let's see, I think there's some details right here, right? So I'm gonna extend this. Looks like there's another line, another sleeve for his shirt. Okay, so now let's go ahead and draw in the fire hydrant, which is really cool. All right, so right here we're gonna draw his thumb. Just curve in first. And now we're gonna draw in part of the fire hydrant first. So we're gonna start right here. We're gonna continue this curve. Just go out and just turn that into a little tube. Close that off. And let's go ahead and draw in the nozzle right here. So I'm gonna flare this out. Give it a slight curve, and then same thing here. We'll make it a little bit three-dimensional. All right, so that's gonna be the hose. So now let's draw in the canister here. So I'm gonna start right here. Just come down. It's probably gonna go behind the shoe there. Okay, so just draw in almost like a bell shape or a cylinder. Just round this out, and again, this is a little bit tricky because it's going behind. So just imagine this connecting to that. All right, and then we can add in the little label right here. So right in the center, just draw in 1 line and then just follow the same curve here, just go out. And then now to finish up the hand, so this part's easy. So it's just gonna go behind the hose right there. Okay, so right behind the hose and just kind of round it out. And that is it for this very cool looking Archie. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my website at mycoolkidsart.com, and I will see you next time.